Deep in the open plains of Africa, where wild animals roam freely, the giraffe stands out as the tallest land creature on Earth, reaching a height of up to 6 meters, 20 feet. But that long neck isn't just an aesthetic feature. It's a vital survival tool, helping it reach the leaves of tall trees. Despite their docile appearance, giraffes are no pushovers. When males compete for dominance or mates, they engage in violent battles known as necking, lashing out at each other with their long necks in a fierce contest that can last for hours. Surprisingly, giraffes make almost no sounds, communicating using infrasound waves inaudible to humans. They are also capable of sleeping for very short periods while standing, which helps them stay alert against predators like lions.